So the backsplash for that wall, it's delayed, and it's delayed 3 weeks.
No.
I know, and we're so close. So there's a couple options. I mean, one, we could use that same backsplash on the back wall. 2, we could go shopping again. Or 3, we wait 3 weeks.
I do think it adds such a uniqueness to the kitchen. I'm willing to wait 3 weeks. Or do you have the patience to wait?
Okay, I guess we'll do it because it would be nice to have them both.
3 weeks is a long time, and I know we're so close, but it's gonna look absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
It is. Let's wait.
Wait.
Let's wait.
In the meantime, the lights are here, so there's gonna be
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Pretty.
Nice.
That is gonna be gorgeous.
They look so nice with the pull handles.
With the handles. I mean, that is gorgeous. I love it.
What's this stuff over here? I see some fake fruit.
Okay, so we have been doing a lot of purging, a lot of organizing, and still a lot of disagreeing.
Yes.
So there are some memorabilia type of things. We would really love to have you maybe incorporate some of these things. So several of those items are, oh my God, I know, you guys already like know what I'm gonna say.
I know what
my
you're gonna
grandma's.
say. Yes.
They're my grandma's.
I have my grandma's glassware.
And it's so special, right? And they should
it looks
be
like this, because things were smaller back in the day.
Totally.
Now we pour a big glass.
Yeah.
Okay, so but so this, when I talk about like a
Why
memory.
is that stuff even in the box right now?
Because I couldn't get rid of it.
Hold on. What do you think that is?
It's an octopus.
I think you're right.
You don't know what it is?
We're gonna have to ask him and see if he made it.
Oh.
No one knows what that is.
But it's made by a child.
I know, so let's keep it in the memorabilia box.
Okay.
What is that?
This is my creation.
What else is in this box?
In college art class.
The fact that you made it.
I know.
There's a bird in here.
And so that was also my grandma's, and she brought it out every spring. I almost think I could bring that out like seasonally, like in the springtime or for Easter.
I think it's sweet how Amy's attached to things that belong to the people she loves. And I'm happy to incorporate some of those memories into the design. Okay, so this stuff's staying, and then that stuff.
This is all this stuff is going.
Yep, going. A few things.
This stuff is
packing
staying.
away.
Okay, so I'll work with James on this stuff.
Okay.
It'll be done before you know it.
Okay, awesome.
Perfect.
The rest of the backsplash tile finally arrived, and Mike was able to get it installed in a day. The only thing left to do is put together the space and incorporate all of Amy's mementos. As you can see, there's some things we need to incorporate. Some of these are very special to Amy.
I see some different things that I don't remember.
I'm sure they're easy to spot. This one in particular is very special to Jason.
What is that?
You know how he's into his toothpicks? It's a toothpick holder. So you just sort of, poke them in there.
Toothpick / voodoo doll.
Right?
Okay, I'll let you take care of that.
Thanks. I got this. It's like a whole different house in here.
This backsplash is my favorite.
It really is. It looks amazing.
It's so organic and it's just like supposed to be. Love it.
How the heck did you stand this thing up?
Oh my gosh. Oh, great. That's an accident waiting to happen. Okay, you voodooed it.
Oh, I voodooed it. What do you guess this is?
I don't know.
It's an ashtray.
No, it's not.
Jason made it.
Oh, again, with the cookies.
All right, how are you guys feeling right now?
Oh my
Nervous.
goodness, is this really happening?
Excited.
It's happening.
Is this happening? Are you ready?
I'm totally ready.
Okay, I'm really excited.
Okay.
Here you go.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
This is crazy.
It's so beautiful.
Right? It looks like out of a magazine.
Oh my
gosh.
God.
I love it so much. I love it so much. Thank you. Oh my God.
This is
I can't believe this
amazing.
is it. I can't believe
This is so rad.
I can't believe it. I love it.
The first thing I think when I walk in is that there's no way this is the same house.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
This space, we didn't do a lot too, but just accessories made a huge difference.
Yeah,
Oh
huge.
my goodness.
It like saved the room.
We just painted the end table and the coffee table black, made a huge difference from the turquoise.
Yeah, huge.
I do not miss the turquoise at all right now.
It's amazing
I
what
never
pillows
would've-
and some throw rugs can do.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
so true. And I just never would have thought to like put that chair over there and angle the couch this way. I'm blown away. And to angle the table. We are so excited for the function of this space.
I really loved what they did with our existing furniture that I really didn't think had a prayer of still living here after this renovation.
And you happy to
love
see
it.
the kitchen
Oh my
yet?
gosh.
All right, let's go in the kitchen.
Guys, honestly, it's sort of hard to remember when you walk in here. Okay,
Yeah.
so everything was broken, pretty much.
Everything was broken.
You guys had to go
Yes.
to the garage to use the refrigerator.
Yeah. Besides the microwave, I don't think one appliance worked.
No, I remember.
No.
Not one.
Oh
So I know
my
you're
goodness,
a little
this is-
concerned about the patriotic look, but
I am not concerned
Okay, good.
at all. And there's so many different layers, and with
Yep.
the black and the wood and the white. And
this is actually my favorite part
This-
too.
Yeah, I love it.
I
It
love
looks
this
so
piece
good.
so much.
Like
And
none
oh
of
my
this
goodness.
is cookie cutter.
Yeah.
I like that we added the reclaimed wood. I like that you kept the original floors.
Yeah.
So it's just, you know, it's very unique.
Thank you
and
so much.
It has that modern hacienda vibe you guys are going for.
Yeah.
It does. I feel like you took our personalities and you like stylized them to just be beautiful.
Your
Yeah.
Grandma's
items.
dishes.
Yep,
Yeah.
everything's very personal. You guys have to keep your eye out the next few days because we did put things around here. James and I,
Oh my
there's, you know,
goodness.
some of your items.
All right.
And how perfect is that backsplash?
It's amazing.
Oh my
I'm so glad we did
goodness.
it.
It's amazing.
I love it. I'm so glad we went with the two separate ones.
me too.
Wow. And the sink and the hardware.
That new window made a huge difference
It
too.
really
did,
does.
yeah.
It does.
The
Yeah.
all new
To the
windows,
tile.
honestly, are what's making it really light and bright in here too.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
we do have a really light and bright house now.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we did the windows.
Me too.
Yeah. I feel like this
It's
is like
gorgeous.
a kitchen that I would walk into at someone's super nice house, but it would never be at my house.
I just can't believe we deserve this.
No, and
Thank
you guys so deserve
so
this. And don't forget, so we painted everything. The desk
Yeah.
that you shopped with
Yeah.
your
Oh
mom
my
looks
goodness.
beautiful.
It looks so
I
great.
love it.
And let's talk about this room.
This was a really big decision to
I am
make.
so glad we did this.
I am so
Me
glad
too.
we did
This
this.
is stunning.
I can't believe we
It
did
looks
this.
unbelievable.
It's a whole different ballgame in here.
Yeah. It
It's
is
beautiful.
unbelievable.
This
It
is
looks
amazing.
so good.
And I love how it complements the kitchen, but it doesn't
Yeah.
look exactly like it.
Yeah.
I like that we included the knobs, but the cabinets are black. It's so pretty.
It's a
Yeah.
separate space, but it still really flows.
Yes.
And I love that.
I love it too.
Good decision.
It looks so good.
Good job, guys. And I want to say a huge thank you to James, not only for helping throughout this,
Yes.
but for introducing me
Yeah,
to you guys
that's
as well.
right,
Yes.
totally.
So that worked out
Yeah.
perfectly.
I'm so happy that it's our house and that we get to live in it. It's a surreal thing right now walking through it because when I walk in through the kitchen for the last 17 years, it looked a certain way, and it doesn't look that way anymore.
Amy, what do you think that your mom would think of the desk and honestly the whole space?
Oh my goodness. She would have loved it. She would have. And I just feel there have been a couple times that I've come out here during the construction late at night and just, I can feel her here with me. And right now, oh my goodness, she would just be so happy for us. I think my mom knew what this house could be. And I just know that she's smiling from up above. I feel like this was part of the healing process, and she's here with us. So thank you so much. That's such a gift.